Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Typeform account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for a Typeform account, start by visiting the Typeform website. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. You will see options to sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. If you prefer to use your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the specified criteria for security. Once you have completed that, click on the Create Account button. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Typeform. Click on the link within the email to confirm your account. After verifying your email, return to the Typeform website. Log in using your newly created email and password. Upon logging in, you'll be welcomed to your Typeform dashboard. From here, you can begin exploring Typeform's features. Consider taking a tour of the dashboard for better navigation. Now you're ready to create your first Typeform. Feel free to explore templates or start from scratch. Enjoy using Typeform for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.